slow morning in a busy city? Tara na't magtsaa sa Hong Kong.
Amid the hustle and bustle of Hong Kong's Central Business District, simply called Central, may isang iconic century-old tea shop na multi-purpose dahil bukod sa herbal products, isa rin itong Chinese medicine clinic. Itinayo noong 1916, ang Good Spring Company ay isa sa mga go-to clinic for natural healing.
Actually, the shop is started from my grandfather. He used to use the trolley in the street to sell herbal tea, which was now still selling at the counter. And afterwards, he found that demand for herbal medicine is very much in that time of period. So he ran a space to open a store like this. He employed a doctor to do the consultation for the patients, and he will employ some staff to get the medicine like what we are doing nowadays.
Nakilala ang Good Spring Company dahil sa iba't ibang produkto, gaya ng ready-to-drink herbal teas at jellies. Pwedeng magbigay ng rekomendasyon ng kanilang mga staff para sa mga simpleng karamdaman. Pero para sa mas seryosong kondisyon, the doctor is always in for diagnosis and prescription.
Chine-check niya yung pulso ko. Normal! Oh, thank God. I was so scared. Normal naman. Salamat naman po. Medyo kinabahan ako kasi di ko alam kung nasasabihin ni Doc, pero sabi naman niya normal. So, thank you.
May mga pwesto rin kung saan pwedeng i-enjoy ang bawat higop ng tsaa. At para naman sa mga jam-packed ang schedule,
Pwede ka rin mag-take away ng herbal tea. Pampalakas daw ito ng immune system. Bitter yung taste niya. Walang asukal, walang tamis.
kung hanap mo naman ay tsaa na may character at history, huwag kalimutang bisitahin ang legendary Ming Hyung Tea Company na may 60 years of tradition and craftsmanship in charcoal roasting for a premium Chinese tea experience.
Hi, Michael and Valerie.
Hello, Valerie. Hello, nice to meet you.
Yes. Oh, upon entering, I can already smell the strong scent of the tea leaves.
Yes, sure, yeah, because we have a lot of tea in the shops, yes. My shop is began at 1963. It started from my father. And he started up this business with only a bicycle. And he started up this place in, Water City, small wooden house. It's only 50 square feet.
50 square feet, and
Yes.
now you have this shop which you also import and export tea leaves.
Yes, we do. We sell over to the world, to the customer, yes.
Bukod sa paggamit ng top range of premium na klase ng tea leaves, pinapanatili rin nila ang tradisyonal na paraan ng preparasyon.
Michael, because in the Philippines, usually people are used to the tea bags.
Yes,
But this one, it's like a different process.
tea bag is really user-friendly, easy to cook. But the taste is not as good as you making tea. It's like you use instant coffee or you grind the coffee, you see the difference. Tea bags itself, it will absorb the flavor.
At ang pinaka-exciting na part, ang mismong paggawa ng tsaa.
First of all, we drink tea is we heat up the instrument, yeah, and then we put some tea leaves. Not much, it's around 7 grams only.
It's good for one person, or
Only for one person, yeah. Wash and the bubbles is
I can actually smell it already. It's a lot more fragrant than a while ago.
yes. Tea again, hot water in again. The first round, because the tea haven't opened up, so we need to wait for longer. And then the second round, third round, shorter as well, and the fourth round, longer.
Oh my God, smells so
A
good.
little bit fragrance, right?
Yeah. Can I drink already?
Yeah,
Okay.
take a little sip, small
first.
sip a little bit first. Yeah, the mine is hot. Yeah, and then smell again and drink, and chew, chew, and the gums, chew in the gums, and we swallow.
Oh, okay.
When we swallow, we breathe in, right? Then we breathe out. Then all the tea is come along here, the aroma.
True
Yeah,
enough,
chew.
mas lumalabas nga ang lasa at aroma ng tsaa kapag ganito iniinom. And speaking of old school, kilala rin sa traditional service ang next tea house natin, kung saan ang bamboo steamers na naglalaman ng dim sum ay dinadala sa customers gamit ang mga trolley. Ang Lin Hyung Lao, na ngayon ay may bagong twist naman para sa younger generation.
Cold Hong Kong milk tea, no sugar. Hindi kompleto ang trip sa Hong Kong, syempre kung walang Hong Kong milk tea. Classic yan eh. Iconic yan for Hong Kong. Gusto ko rin tikman yung kanilang signature citrus lemon tea. Can I also have that? Cold, no sugar as well. Hindi naman tayo araw-araw na sa Hong Kong eh. Itodo na natin, di ba? What drinks can you recommend to me as a first-timer here?
The drinks, like as you see, right, we provide a lot of traditional tea, like kunyam, jasmine, pu'er, and then soy. Those are all traditional tea for the customers.
Ang cute ng packaging, oh! Tapos dito mo pala ilulusot yung straw. This is the Hong Kong milk tea. It can't get any more authentic than this. Creamy yung milk. Gatas niya. Ganda pa rin ng packaging. Curious ako kung ano yung lasa ng lemon tea nila kasi hindi yellow lemon yung gamit nila, kundi yung green na lemon. Iba yung lasa. Mas may konting bitterness, pero refreshing. Kung mamimili ako sa dalawa, you know what? I like both. Go!
Mapagod ka man kakalibot mong araw o may iniinda, may tsaa para dyan. Dahil sa Hong Kong, tea is more than just a drink. It's about comfort, healing, and satisfying your cravings. Cheers!